If we look over here, one of the best features that we have is, back in the United States, we have a plethora of new regulations. So with this product, you're able to test the actuation of the valve in situ or in place by manipulating this key here and pulling this up and down to actuate the flapper, showing that it shuts off at the proper dimension and set height within the tank. Of course, here we're looking at some of the vapor tight caps, fills, and adapters, whether they're 3 or 4 inch. Of course, a low profile or your standard vapor recovery commitment. These are called shear valves, again, with an engineered shear groove here, just in the event of a catastrophic break or something where a dispenser is notched. Ultimately, it'll shear this, containing all vapors and or fluids up in the dispenser and down in the pipeline. Here is our best-in-class 10 plus valve. This 10 plus valve is a double poppeted shear valve, and it contains a elastomeric bladder around this shear groove. So in the event of what we consider to be a nuisance break, ultimately this bladder will fill up with fuel, shutting it off long term. These are triggered by fire and or impact, and they'll contain safety aspects for all your fueling needs. Then again, whether it's an AST or above ground storage tank with a typical mushroom vent, and then our best-in-class F-stop, which is a overfill valve for above ground storage tanks done on pressure. And then of course your 523 class and 623 class for your PV vents for your pressure management on your tank tops.